Hello friends, welcome to Technology Home YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about Facebook dark mode. Are you using Facebook in the dark room or at night on your Mac or Windows PC? You might be using the Facebook app in dark mode on your smartphone, but you have tried using the dark mode on its web version, i.e. facebook.com, on a browser. Starting the video, new member, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon too. Setup 1 is visit the http facebook.com on any browser, Chrome, Firefox or Safari, whichever you are using. Number 2. Now on the top right corner, click on the down arrow to open the drop-down menu. Number 3. Select display preference and choose dark mode. Turn it on from here. Number 4. If you don't see display preference or you using the older version of the Facebook web, switch to the new interface by choosing the option under the drop-down menu. Switch to new Facebook. Your profile will now use a rapid reference. At done. This is our video. Please again tell you subscribe our channel and like this video, share with friends. Thank you.